respected principal, teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. I stand before you today to speak on the topic India's Revolution for Independence, a journey of courage, sacrifice, and unity. On 15 August 1947, India woke up to freedom after almost 200 years of British rule. But this freedom was not given to us as a gift. It was earned through blood, sacrifice, and the unwavering spirit of millions of Indians who stood against injustice. A look at history. The British East India Company came to India in 1600 for trade. But by the 18th century, they had begun controlling our land, economy, and resources. Indians became strangers in their own country. But India did not remain silent. The First War of Independence in 1857, also called the Sepoy Mutiny, was the first massive rebellion. Heroes like Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mangal Pandey, Bahadur Shah Zafar, and Tatya Tope led the charge. Though it was crushed, it ignited a flame that never went out. The Freedom Fighters' Revolution. After 1857, the revolution only grew stronger. Let me remind you of a few unforgettable names. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who said, "Swaraj is my birthright, and I shall have it." Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev, who fearlessly gave their lives for the motherland. Subhash Chandra Bose, who formed the Indian National Army, INA, and thundered, "Give me blood, and I shall give you freedom." Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, who led the non-violent revolution, the Dandi March, the Quit India movement, and inspired millions to fight with peace and unity. Each movement, whether violent or non-violent, was a blow to British power. Unity in diversity. One of the greatest strengths of our independence struggle was unity in diversity. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, men, women, all stood together, beyond religion and caste, for one dream. A free India. Why it matters today. Today, as we hold the tricolor high and sing the national anthem with pride, we must remember, freedom is not free. It was earned. And it is our duty to protect it by being responsible citizens, respecting our constitution, and working together to build a better India. Let us not treat 15th August as just another holiday. Let us honor the legacy of our revolutionaries by living with honesty, courage, and unity. As Bhagat Singh said, "They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not be able to crush my spirit." Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Thank you.